Virginia. It is raining here in my small town where I'm from, and it's a little chilly in my house. And you know what? I decided that I want to make some soup. Yes, I know it is the end of July going into August. Yes, I know it was practically 100 degrees yesterday and like 90 something today, but I want some soup. So I'm going to make some soup today. I bought this brand new keto cookbook, and I hope that I am saying the author's name correctly. It looks like it's Urvashi Petrie. Okay, I hope I'm saying your name correctly. But anyway, guys, I just purchased this new keto cookbook, and there was one recipe that absolutely captivated my attention when I was in Barnes & Nobles and saw it. And that was her recipe for Italian sausage and spinach soup. And my thought was, oh wow, this is going to be fabulous in the winter months. Well, because it's a little nippy outside right now and it's raining, I want some soup right now. So I am going to make this recipe, and I'm gonna make it on camera so you guys can see. There are a couple of things that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit to my liking, and so I'm gonna put the recipe and my tweakings in the description box below. But this is a fabulous cookbook. This is the first recipe that I'm making out of this cookbook. So I'm really excited. I'm always looking for new recipes, new ideas and things. And this book is filled with so many of them. So anyway, I got this book at Barnes & Nobles. I got this one for $22.99, and it is so worth it. So I just always like to give credit where credit is due, especially to chefs, because I want to get credit for my recipes as well. So this recipe is not mine, but it does belong to this fabulous author right here. And I'm going to try again, Urvashi Petrie. And if I'm saying your name incorrectly, I am so sorry. Please call me and correct me. Email me and I will, and I'll get it right. All right, to all of my new subscribers, hi guys. I want to say thank you for subscribing and welcome to the Sincerely Legenia family. I am so happy to have you guys. All right, I've been talking too much. Let's get into this recipe and let's make ourselves some Italian and spinach soup. If you have not yet subscribed to Sincerely Legenia, then what are you waiting for? Click that subscription button below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me. And leave a comment below so that I know you are here. All right, let's make some Italian and spinach soup because I'm hungry and I'm hungry. That's basically it. Let's go. I'm gonna first begin by opening this beautiful sausage that I got from Whole Foods. The sausage was on sale this week. Today is June the 29th. So this sausage was on sale, and I think this was $4.99 per pound. And you guys, this is beautiful sausage. They had the Italian hot sausage, just regular Italian sausage. Great deal. So I'm gonna first begin by taking the sausage out of its casing. And so this is 1 complete pound of sausage, and I'm gonna remove it again. I'm gonna remove it out of its casing. Just like that, just that easy. All right, everybody, to our hot skillet, I'm going to add some oil. And we're gonna add our sausage. Now the skillet is hot, so yeah, it's gonna make some sizzling noises. Let's add this on in. All right, and let's start rounding it up. Now we know that Italian sausage already has Italian seasoning in it. But to this, I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, some cracked black pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. We just want a little bit of heat throughout. And 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. All right, let's mix that up. Perfect. Now to this, we're going to add 1 cup of chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 12 ounces of spinach, 1 12-ounce bag of frozen cauliflower rice, and 4 cups of chicken broth. All right, let's give this a stir. All right, we're going to leave this on high heat. I'm going to cover it until it comes to a boil, and then I'm going to bring the heat down to low and let it simmer for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. All right, let's check on our soup here. Okay, now we've got it to a boil. So we're going to take the temperature down to low, and we're going to let this simmer for about 5 more minutes. Okay, guys, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, wow, it's still simmering. This smells amazing. All right, guys. Now, we're going to add a couple more things, and then this dish will be complete. Okay, leaving the temperature on low heat, we're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Let's get it in there. All right, let's mix this together. And I've still got this on on low heat. All right, everybody, I think, yep, it's ready to go. It's ready. Now I am going to put this in a bowl, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to taste this for you guys. Yummy. Soup is ready. I am done, and so now it is time to taste this. This is extremely, extremely hot, so I am going to take my time because I do not want to burn my mouth. But it smells so good. I'm so excited to taste this. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. You guys. You know I'm not gonna lie to you. You know if I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you. Even if it's something I make. This right here, This is fabulous. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be honest, I've never been a big, huge fan of Italian sausage. I like it, but not in abundance like this, like to have it be the only meat in my meal. I'll usually, if you've seen any of the other recipes I've made, I usually will mix the Italian sausage with something, like ground beef or something like that. This is, this is magnificent, magnificent. I don't think I use that word enough. Magnificent. This is magnificent. The cauliflower, the spinach, the nuttiness from the Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah. I'm telling you guys, save this one for the fall and winter months. If you don't want it this summer, save this one for the fall and winter months. You better save it. This will make your heart happy. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Well, guys, this was fun as always. I thank you so much for joining me today. If you get an opportunity, go visit my website, sincerelylegenia.com. Print out this recipe. Make this for your family today. It is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe just how tasty this turned out. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Leave me a comment below and let me know that you were here. And if you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. It is amazing. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I love it when you guys join me in my kitchen. I pray that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous week. We're getting ready to go into a whole new month, and I pray nothing but blessings and goodwill upon you and your family in Jesus' name. I thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a great day. Sincerely, Legenia. Bye.